Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about looking for a new apartment. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Charlie as they search for their perfect home. They will visit different places, ask important questions, and make decisions together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Have you ever looked for a new apartment? What is most important to you when choosing a place to live?
Good morning, Charlie. Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I had a strange dream about our apartment.
What kind of dream?
I dreamed our apartment was getting smaller and smaller.
That's funny. Maybe it's because this place really is too small.
You're right. We need more space for our things.
And I would love to have a bigger kitchen.
I want a place where we can have friends over for dinner.
That sounds perfect. Should we start looking for a new apartment?
Yes, let's do it. Where should we start?
We can look online first. There are many websites with apartments.
Great idea. We can see photos and prices before we visit. Before we look at apartments, we need to talk about money.
You're right. How much can we spend on rent each month?
Let me check our budget. We make about $4,000 together.
They say we should spend no more than 30% on housing.
So that's about $1,200 for rent.
Plus, we need money for utilities like electricity and internet.
Right. So maybe we should look for places around $1,000.
That seems reasonable. What about the deposit?
Usually it's 1 or 2 months of rent up front.
We have some money saved for that.
Perfect. Now, let's think about what we want in our new place.
Let's make a list of things we want in our new apartment.
Good idea. First, how many bedrooms do we need?
2 bedrooms would be nice, one for us and one for an office.
And definitely 2 bathrooms if possible.
I really want a bigger kitchen with a dishwasher.
A balcony would be great too. I miss having outdoor space.
What about parking? Do we need a parking space?
Yes, that's important. Street parking is always difficult here.
Should we look for a place near the subway?
That would make commuting to work much easier.
Okay, I'll write all of this down. Then we can start our search. Okay, I found a good website for apartment listings.
Great! Can you put in our budget and preferences?
Let me set the price range to $800 to $1,100.
And make sure it shows places with 2 bedrooms.
Done. Wow, there are a lot of options.
Look at this one. It has a nice kitchen and it's near the train station.
The photos look good, but it's $950.
That's still in our budget. What about this other one?
This one is cheaper, but it doesn't have a dishwasher.
We can always buy one later. Let's save both of these.
I'll make a list of our favorites and then we can call them.
Should we start calling the places we liked?
Yes, let me call the first one. Can you give me the number?
It's 555-2347.
Hello, I'm calling about the apartment on Oak Street. Is it still available? Yes, we're interested. When can we see it?
Ask about the deposit and when we can move in.
What's the security deposit and when is it available? Okay, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
How did it go?
Good. We can visit tomorrow afternoon. The deposit is 1 month's rent.
Perfect. Let's call the other places too. So we have 3 appointments tomorrow?
Yes, the first one is at 10 in the morning.
Where is that one located?
It's on Maple Avenue, about 15 minutes from here.
And the second apartment?
That's at 12:30 on Pine Street.
Good. We'll have time for lunch between visits.
The last one is at 2 o'clock on Oak Street.
Should we write down questions to ask?
Great idea, like questions about utilities and neighborhood.
And we should ask about the lease terms.
I'm excited to see our options tomorrow. Wow, this place is much bigger than in the photos.
I love these hardwood floors. They look new.
The living room has so much natural light.
Let's check out the kitchen.
Oh, this kitchen is beautiful. Look at all this counter space.
And it has the dishwasher we wanted.
The refrigerator looks pretty new, too.
What about the bedrooms?
The master bedroom is a good size. And look, it has a walk-in closet.
The second bedroom would be perfect for our office.
I like this apartment. How much is the rent again?
$950, plus utilities.
Let's see the bathroom.
It's clean, and the shower looks good.
I like that there's a window for ventilation.
The mirror is a nice size too.
Is there only one bathroom?
Yes, just this one. Remember, we wanted 2 bathrooms.
That's true, but this one is pretty big.
And it has good storage space under the sink.
The water pressure feels strong.
That's important. Should we ask about hot water?
Good idea. And we should ask about laundry.
This apartment has a completely different feel.
I love these brick walls. They're so charming.
It's definitely older than the last place.
But look at these high ceilings and big windows.
The kitchen is smaller, though.
Yes, but it has character, and the price is lower.
How much is this one?
$850 a month.
That would save us money. What about the bedrooms?
They're smaller but still comfortable.
And this one has 2 bathrooms like we wanted.
True. Let's see the rest before we decide.
Sarah, look at this closet. It's very small.
And this stove is really old. I don't think it works well.
The carpet in the bedroom has some stains, too.
Did you notice the paint is peeling in the bathroom?
Yes, and the shower pressure is very weak.
This apartment needs a lot of work.
Even though the price is good, we might have problems.
The heating system looks old, too.
That could be expensive in winter.
Maybe we should keep looking.
I agree. Let's see the 3rd apartment.
Wow, this apartment is beautiful.
The photos online didn't do it justice.
Look at these huge windows. So much light.
And the kitchen is modern, with all new appliances.
I love this open floor plan between the kitchen and living room.
The floors look like they were just refinished.
And look, there's a balcony.
That's perfect for morning coffee.
The bedrooms must be nice, too.
This feels like the kind of place we could really call home.
I have a good feeling about this one. This balcony is exactly what we wanted.
And the view of the neighborhood is really nice.
We could put a small table here and have breakfast outside.
The bedrooms are a good size too.
And both bathrooms are clean and modern.
The closet space is much better than our current place.
I noticed there's a laundry room in the building.
That's convenient. What about parking?
There's one parking space included in the rent.
This apartment checks all our boxes.
Should we ask about the rent and lease terms?
Let's review our 3 options over coffee.
Good idea. I need to process everything we saw today.
The first apartment was nice, but only had 1 bathroom.
And it was $950, which is our top budget.
The second one was cheaper, but had too many problems.
Those old appliances would probably break soon.
The third apartment was definitely the nicest.
But it's $1,050. That's over our budget.
It's only $50 more per month.
True, but that's $600 more per year.
We need to think about what's most important to us.
Let me make a list of pros and cons for each place.
That's smart. Start with the first apartment.
Pros: good location, nice kitchen, hardwood floors.
Cons: only 1 bathroom at the top of our budget.
For the second apartment, cheap rent, 2 bathrooms.
But cons: old appliances, needs repairs, small closets.
The third apartment, modern, balcony, perfect size.
The only con is that it's a little expensive.
But if we really love it, maybe it's worth the extra cost.
We plan to stay for at least 2 years.
So we should choose a place where we'll be really happy.
So we're both thinking the third apartment?
Yes, I think it's the best choice for us.
The extra $50 will be worth it for all that space.
And we both loved the balcony and modern kitchen.
Plus, it's in a really nice neighborhood.
I noticed there's a grocery store just 2 blocks away.
And the subway station is only a 10-minute walk.
Should we call them tonight?
Definitely. Good apartments go fast in this city.
I'm excited to tell them we want it.
Me too. I can already imagine us living there.
I'm going to call about the third apartment now.
Good luck. I hope it's still available.
Hello, this is Sarah. We visited your apartment today on Oak Street. Yes, we're very interested. We'd like to apply.
Ask about the application process.
What do we need for the application? Okay, so we need proof of income and references. And a credit check? That's fine.
When can we move in?
When would be the earliest move-in date? Perfect. We'll send everything tomorrow. Thank you so much.
What documents do we need again?
Pay stubs from the last 3 months.
I have those. What else?
bank statements and our tax returns from last year.
And we need references from previous landlords.
Good thing our current landlord likes us.
Should we include a cover letter?
That's a great idea. It shows we're serious.
I'll write about our steady jobs and clean rental history.
And mention that we're quiet, responsible tenants.
This application looks really strong.
I hope we get it. Charlie, the phone is ringing. It might be about the apartment.
Answer it. I'm so nervous.
Hello? Yes, this is Sarah. Really? We got it?
What did they say?
We got the apartment. We can move in next month.
That's amazing. I'm so happy.
They said our application was excellent.
All that preparation paid off.
I can't wait to start decorating our new home.
And I can't wait to have friends over for dinner.
Our apartment hunting adventure was successful.
I hope this video helped you learn useful English for apartment hunting. Sarah and Charlie found their perfect home by planning carefully, asking good questions, and being prepared. So, what is most important to you when looking for a new place to live? Please share your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.